Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford vehicle guys, pretty much any Ford vehicle, and your headlights do not work, or let's say left headlight on low beams doesn't work, or both headlights on low or high beams do not work, or they don't work at all guys, we'll explain what can cause that now. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. If you need to buy any tools or parts that we use guys in our videos, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we shop and where we get everything we need for our vehicles. So this is guys the 2012 Ford Focus. We'll go ahead and start it and we'll turn the headlights on. Okay, we'll turn the headlights and then we'll turn the high beams on guys. And our high beams in our case do not work. Yours could be low beams or it could be just left headlight not working. So it really guys, okay, depends on what goes bad and what's the configuration on your car. So low beams work, let's try high beams. Nope, nothing at all. So let's go ahead, turn it off guys, and I'll explain okay what we have now. So it really depends guys on what Ford you have and all that stuff, but some Ford vehicles guys, they have 4 fuses for the headlights. Each of the headlight will have 2 fuses, one for low beams, one for high beams. And on this side, low beams, high beams. However guys, this Ford right here guys has only 2 fuses. And some models, even Ford Focus, have a single fuse. One controls the low beams, one controls the high beams. In our case, we have a fuse for the high beams and they do not work guys. Also, you have guys, in most cases, a relay for the headlights. And you can have a relay for low beams, high beams, or just one relay controlling guys both sides. It really depends again. But if a headlight doesn't work, what do you need to check? Okay, first guys, check, the easiest thing to do is check your bulbs. Now if both of them do not work, probably the possibility for a bulb going bad on both sides, it's practically impossible to happen at the same time. So probably it's not that, but if you just one headlight, check the bulb guys. If that doesn't fix the problem, okay, you want to check guys the fuses. Now if it's both of them, check the fuse guys, check relay, and if that doesn't take care of the problem, you guys need to check your switch, headlight switch. Okay, the one right here or the one right there that turns from high beams to low beams, and the one that switches the low beams on. Now we have a video on the channel how to test those, but in our case it's a bad fuse. Stay with us, we'll show you where ours is located and how it will fix our problem now. So in our case guys, the fuse is under the glove box here. It could be the one in the fuse box in the engine compartment. Ours is all the way guys, okay, right there. Okay, and this is the fuse that we removed, okay, and ours is guys burned. Okay, it's completely done. So I'll go ahead, okay, we'll replace it with a new one guys, and we'll see if that takes care of the problem now. So we replace guys the fuse. Okay, let's go ahead and see if our high beams now are working and see if that will take care of the problem guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are about to start the car. Low beams on, high beams. Yep, they work as well. Let's again high beams. Perfect. So that fixes our problem guys. Check bulbs, check fuses, relays, and the switch itself. Those are your possibilities. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.